Welcome to level 6. We are halfway through this journey. This is an important step in our course, as now we know all the basics required to write meaningful programs. Now we will start learning control flow statements. The programs that we have written so far are linear. That is, statements are executed one by one and all the statements written in the program are executed once. Suppose we want to find out whether a user can be issued a driving license or not. We will input the age and using conditional operators we can find whether user is older than 18 years. But what if we want to print an appropriate message? If the age is less than 18, we want to print, "Sorry, you are not eligible for a license." Otherwise, "Congratulations, you are eligible for a license." These kind of programs cannot be written linearly. For this purpose, we will use if-else statement. The if-else statement is used when we want to perform some task conditionally. The syntax of an if-else statement is if condition within brackets statement else statement. The condition written after if can be a complex condition with multiple relational and logical operators. The condition is evaluated, and if the outcome of evaluation is true, then the statement written after the condition is executed, and the statement written after else is not executed. If the condition evaluates to false, then the statement written after if is not executed. Only the statement written after else is executed. So, if-else allows us to selectively execute the statement on the basis of a condition. Now let us see how can we write the program to print whether a person can be issued a driver's license or not. This is our code which takes user age as input, checks if age is less than 18 and prints the desired output. Let us test the program with different inputs. If we input age as say 15 and run, we can see output as, "Sorry, you are not eligible for a license." And if we change the input to say 25 and run again, the output now says, "Congratulations, you are eligible for a license." As you can see, we have written a program which is not linear. It follows a different path of execution depending on the input. It is not necessary to have an else statement after if. For example, this is a perfectly valid program. The condition is evaluated, and if it is true, then the statement written after if is executed. Otherwise, not. Afterwards, the program continues to execute linearly. Suppose we want to execute multiple statements when a condition is true. For such cases, we can use compound statement or block. A set of statements written between curly brackets is called a block, written in this way. A block of statement written after an if condition will be executed as a whole if the condition is correct. Similarly, we can also write a block of statements after an else. It's a good practice to always use the curly brackets even when there is only one statement to execute. Now, complete this code with an appropriate condition to find out if the input number is less than or greater than 10.